I left my tripod because I didn't think that I was going to pick up the camera. I am making my coffee and I am here at work. It's the week of Thanksgiving, and yes, some of us had to come in to work. Well, I could have taken time, but my first cup of coffee for the day at work, and it is in a stemless. You can't, it's actually a light pink. You can't see the pink, but this is a stemless wine glass, but I use it for coffee. It's actually perfect for my coffee. I'm gonna have to kneel to talk to you, and it is cold in my neck of the woods, so I have my heater going. I did not record last week to have a video up for you this week, and that's because I was fresh out of the week that I go to grad school. There was just some things going on. Then it's end of year activities here in my job. There are a lot of tasks. There are not a lot of people to do the help with the tasks. And then just some commitments. I'm going to say right now that it can be a little overwhelming, and I am knocking on the door of overwhelm right now. And the reason I picked up the camera today unprepared, because I have you propped up on my Tumblr. I'm not prepared to record. I do not have any specific thing that I want to vlog about today, and my mood is as raw and authentic as it can get. So I said, you know what, just be real in front of the camera. Again, if you've watched any of my previous videos, I have said that I like to document when I can, because I can go back and look at the footage to see where I was, what I did, and just to see how far I've come over a period of time. But yeah, it's the Tuesday before Thanksgiving, and it's also my mom's birthday on Saturday. My family will be celebrating at my house, and we also have the Bayou Classic coming up. I vlogged that the last time that we went to New Orleans, and I think if I get any footage of that this year, it will probably be on my phone. I was so uncomfortable carrying my camera. So and I have several meetings today. This week is just jam-packed. The next 2 weeks are going to be just as busy. I have papers and exams that are due all the second week of December, and of course I worry about that. I have not pulled out my planner, so it sounds like I'm a downward spiral. And I'm so sorry about this angle. Just bear with me, and if it bothers you, I get it. You can tune off. But I left my planner at home. However, I made these notebooks. It's just a plain notebook that I got a while ago from Dollar Tree, and then I rebound it and made a cover for it. So I'm going to use these pages to create my to-do list for today. I'm going to do one for work because there's quite a few things that need to have my attention, and I'm also going to create a section for me to download some things that I need to get done for after work. So that's what I'm getting ready to do now, is create my to-do list. I did not unpack my bag, so I'm going to do that. And yeah, how's it going in your neck of the woods? Let me see if I can pull you up a little further and talk to you. Is that better? Why did I bring my tripod? Let's see if it's in my bag. Come with me. Oh, my clutch. This is my pencil pouch. I say pencil pouch, and there's probably not one pencil, but it's my pen case, and I also keep my flash drives in here. I love spots and dots, y'all. This bag came from Target. There's another one of my notebooks that I made, and I have this old school labeler, and I put my name on it. Now keep in mind, we are looking for my tripod. I have my personal laptop that I sometimes use for work because it's bigger than my work laptop. There's some applesauce down there. Here's my school planner. Remember what I said about those spots? And y'all, no tripod. Yes. I am a complete hot mess express. And I turned the camera on today so that you could witness the hot mess express. I'm trying to zoom out. That may be a little better. Okay, so I'm going to work on my to-do list today, and I just wanted to jump on and say hello. This is going to be a very quick pop in and say hi as I try to tackle the things today and try to stay afloat and be in good cheer. When I got up this morning, I had a really good time of meditation, praying, and my heart led me to a scripture in the Bible, and my day is not going bad. It's just I'm having to sort through the things, and how I normally would process some things, I would get completely overwhelmed. Anxiety would creep up, and I feel, like I said, I'm knocking at the door, so I'm getting ready to knock that in the bud. I did journal this morning, and by me doing this to-do list that I'm getting ready to create, it is going to help me out so much. I feel like I'm also too bright. Yeah, that may be a little better. But I'm going to knock out my to-do list and know that I can accomplish the things that need to get done so that I can enjoy my holiday with my family and celebrate my mom for her birthday and get everything else done. I also need to order a dress for next week. Don't know if that's impossible, but I'm not going to stress about it. So if nothing else comes out of this very quick sit down in the office before work video, if you are finding yourself being very overwhelmed with all of the seasonings happenings, the end of year happenings, if your job has a lot of end of year deadlines that you need to make, take it one step at a time. Pull out a pen and notepad. I know that we have tablets and our phones, but I encourage you to write down the thoughts that are recurring over and over in your head and create a plan, a simple plan, nothing elaborate, nothing where you have to go and pay to get something organized for you, but just write out a simple plan of what you can do each day, whether it's just 2 or 3 things, and tell yourself that you are capable to do it. Because I feel like, I really believe, and I'm speaking for myself, that I wouldn't be in this situation if it was something that I couldn't tackle. I'm here for a reason. You are there in your world for a reason, and you can do the things. We just can't have them blow up in our head and overwhelm us. Girlfriend, grab you a cup of coffee, pen, paper, and write down those things. And I hope that I can tune in with you a little later on. I'll try to vlog more if I can. There will be very random, there will be very real and raw, probably very uninspiring. But this is a commitment that I made to myself. I gave myself last week off because it was a very stressful week with class. We had a tragedy that happened within our program, And then, you know, coming back and rushing into holiday and end of year thing. My camera died. It died. I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Hopefully, because we are here at the holidays, I'll be able to chat with you a little later on in the week. If not, I'll have a video up for you next week. Happy Thanksgiving, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. It lets me know that I am not doing this in vain and that I have someone that I can talk to here on YouTube. Again, happy Thanksgiving. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, talk to you soon. Bye.